It's good to live, so you come back stronger, with less worries about your life, because you had experienced it almost an afterlife. The idea of yourself wasn't there anymore. Nobody knew you, nobody cared. You were just a drop in an ocean of poor souls, trying to survive, trying to breathe one more time. Jumping on one leg to stay out of the water, to keep your true self alive. Ma va bene andare via per capire quello che si è lasciato, perché solo la distanza spiega le cose, le allunga fino a spezzarle, fino a che non rimane solo il nostro io, solo in mezzo ad un mondo di gente che ci attraversa senza riconoscerci. E siamo fragili esseri umani in cerca di uno scopo, felici di mettere la sveglia alle 7 del mattino per il solo motivo di sentirci impegnati, obbligati, essenziali per qualcun altro. So go where nobody knows you, get lost, feel the pain, feel the loneliness, suffer, till the moment you come back to the places you know very well, but this time watch the world you already knew with fresh eyes, fascinated about the struggling simplicity of ordinary life.